This is a giant leap back to the 50s and 60s. Growing up and trying to remember what the kitchen in my home looked like, where food was kept. I know there was a walk-in pantry, all canned goods. Coffee brewing. My father was a big coffee drinker. And why there were no leftovers. Well, sports fans, how can you keep leftovers in an icebox? Mashed potatoes were made with little tiny potatoes from probably the state where we lived. Nothing like these jumbo russets from Idaho that I like today. My mother used a masher, and it wasn't plastic, it was metal, designed to last forever. We ate a lot of chicken, fried chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, canned corn for breakfast. Somehow we survived with boxed cereal, Cheerios, Corn Flakes, Rice Krispies, pancakes on the weekends, Sundays, eggs, fried potatoes, and toasted white bread. Oy. For school lunches, we carried a lunchbox with us to class. We left it in the cloakroom. At lunchtime, pulled it out. There might have been an apple, an orange, or a little box of raisins, a little sandwich. Could have been anything. Lunch meat. I don't think we ever did tuna salad or chicken salad. I think it was mostly bologna. So I'm just praising God that we all survived, those of us who are still on the earth, able to cook meals in our own kitchen. Some of us, like myself, who are learning to cook for the first time ever. That's another episode, maybe a podcast. But today, for dinner, we are having pot roast, 3 hours cooked in this cast iron Dutch oven. Mashed potatoes, mashed with a mixer. Well, this is another thing. All baked goods were made from scratch. We made a lot of cupcakes at home and at other people's homes for Girl Scout meetings. Somehow, again, we all survived, and we're talking about the hard times today. One of the reasons our grandparents survived was because of the gardens in the backyard or in property right next to the house. The grandparents were truly self-sufficient, more or less. Many people baked their own bread. Nobody cooked in butter, they cooked in lard. That would be from bacon. Lard is bacon fat. I'm making myself hungry. I hope that you appreciate your good fortune to be living in these days. And if your parents are still alive, how hard they worked to put food on the table for you every day of the week. Thank you for listening. Happy holidays.